Setting up a website with Namecheap is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few steps. To begin, go to the Namecheap website and click on the Sign Up button to create an account. Fill in the required information such as your name, email address, and password. Then verify your email address by clicking on the link sent to you by Namecheap. Once you have created and verified your account, log in to the Namecheap dashboard and click on the Domain Manager tab. Here you can register a new domain name or transfer an existing one to Namecheap. Enter your desired domain name in the search bar and select the extension you want, such as .com or .net. Follow the prompts to complete the registration process and pay for your domain name. Next, you need to set up your web hosting. Namecheap offers a range of hosting plans, including shared hosting, VPS hosting, and dedicated hosting. Choose a plan that suits your needs and budget. Then follow the prompts to complete the sign-up process. You will be asked to provide some basic information about your website, such as the domain name and the type of content you will be hosting. After you have set up your web hosting, you need to point your domain name to your hosting account. To do this, go to the Domain Manager tab and click on the DNS Manager button. Update the nameservers to point to your hosting account, or set up custom DNS records if you need more control over your DNS settings. Finally, you can upload your website to your hosting account using an FTP client or the File Manager tool in the Namecheap dashboard. Make sure to upload your files to the correct directory, which is usually the public_HTML folder. Once your website is uploaded, you can test it by visiting your domain name in a web browser. Throughout the process, Namecheap provides a range of tools and resources to help you get started, including a website builder, a one-click installer for popular applications, and a knowledge base with tutorials and FAQs. By following these steps and using the tools and resources provided by Namecheap, you can quickly and easily set up a website and get online.